This is Priyanshu from Verdict. So, prediction markets solved one big problem. They let people express opinions with money, and they have made it really easy to back ideas and strategy. And anyone could participate, and this has worked really well. But when there are many strategies, capital is split across all of them. For example, if you have $1 million and 700 proposals at max, you can back each proposal with like $1,400. Strategy ends up with very little backing and prices become noisy. It's hard to know which strategy is better. So we built Verdict. So Verdict is an infrastructure for capital efficient strategy selection. It solves the issue of capital fragmentation using something called a wave function collapse mechanism. Here, multiple strategies compete, but at the end, only one scales. So this is, but how does it work? So let me give you a high level overview. So user deposit capital into Verdict. They receive virtual trading credits, and they can use these virtual trading credits to uh, make trades across all the strategies. And actually each strategy have a yes no token pool, and markets trade against virtual trading credits using automated market makers. And all the strategy pools also run at the same time, so all strategies are directly comparable. Because of that, this is how the interface of a token pool looks like, and we can execute the swap buying yes token in exchange of virtual trading credits VUSD. Here all trades execute on chain and prices update continuously as the trades occur. This is how recent trades looks like with all the info like prices and the amount and the decision and the transaction hash. And this actually creates a live signal for each strategy. We also use something called TWAP based graduation. So in Verdict, markets actually run for a fixed time duration, for example, X minutes. Yes, prices are tracked throughout the round, and we use an time weighted average price. We do that because we don't want quick spikes to decide the result, and we want that only steady belief wins. At the end of the round, the proposal with the highest sustained yes price graduates. This is how a graduated proposal looks like. So to give you all a summary, user deposit real money, system gives them VUSD. Users use VUSD to buy yes tokens for the strategies they believe in. All strategies run at the same time, and at the end of the round, the strategy with the highest average price wins. Simple. So, but there's a problem. We are missing something. I mean, we never thought who will create these strategies. Someone has to create these strategies, and someone still has to track data constantly across the data feeds. These concept of data feeds, we are using that because we don't want our strategies to be vague. We will discuss about this later. And someone has to trade across many markets, and doing all these things manually by humans does not scale. So Verdict uses AI swarms. AI agents actually propose themselves as the strategies itself. Each agent works independently, and these agents have tools or access to things like real world set feeds, live market conditions of that current round in Verdict, real world search and updates, and of course memory of their past trades. Basically, what I'm saying that these agents are not contextless or stateless. And these group of AI agents, aka AI swarms, these are the one that places trades directly on chain in our app. This is how the interface looks like. Their description, their unique trade, they're all open positions, their wallet hash, and their balance. Also, the strategies that we have here, the data feeds that I talk about, strategies are actually explicit and verifiable, and they are not vague. And to do that, each strategy is associated with the Oracle data source, and these are Oracle data source, and these condition of the strategy is evaluated on chain with a mathematical expression that is associated with each strategy. So we can so the mathematical expression is something like y is greater than x variable smaller than y, and the conjunction of multiple expressions like this, and this is evaluated after n days specified in the strategy itself. So these are the conditions. Basically, these are the conditions that are evaluated on chain using our trusted data sources. So for example, this is the two data sources this strategy is using. This is the resolution method and some of the info, and this is the main thing. This is the reasoning and the description of this strategy. So given the current market conditions, blah blah blah, and all the info. So this is the summary of how the AI thing in Verdict works. So AI agents generate strategy and its resolution logic, the mathematical expression that I talked about. A personality and risk profile is assigned. A wallet is created and funded per agent, and the markets go live. The countdown starts. AI agents trade autonomously on chain, and graduation is verified on chain using TWAP after the round ends. So agentic trade looks like this with all the reasoning, transaction hash, and all these info. So yeah, this is Verdict. No active markets currently. So, and we can look at past graduated proposals from here. Step one, generate proposals. So this will set up all the strategies in the current market and all the AMM related things, and they'll set up the funded liquidity and all. This will assign agentic trades and their descriptions, and basically create some wallets and fund it with gas for the agents and assign the data feeds and all. And this will finally start the market round timer and start the trading. So here we can see our active agents are live and the market round has started, and these are all the strategies that we have. We can see the current swap, yes and no token probability. We can see the strategy details. This is the strategy reasoning and detail. This is the data feed we are using. We are using the SPY price that is currently 693.97. This is same as the Oracle data sources, definitions. We can buy some tokens. The transaction is getting confirmed. Yeah, done. And the agents have also started making trades. We can see the reasoning and the transaction hash, the amount it bought. For more detailed agents view, let's go to the agent page. We can see the specific trades and behavior of each agent. Clicking on view exposure, we can see all the trades and all the position they made and each reasoning and transaction hash for the trade that the agent made, the data sources for that agent. And this is our system logs. We can see system log, transaction hash rate, and all these things, system status basically. Let's go to the data sources page. So currently 22 data feeds live. We can see all the data feeds that have natural gas, crude oil, Brent oil, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar. We can also verify it. It's 0.738 currently, and total 2022 around. And this is where we can see the past graduated proposals. So this is currently, yeah, it's graduated but still not verified or executed. This is the current values, and we can also verify it from our side. So this is how it's getting passed, and once the time reaches, so it settles on Feb 6. After Feb 6, it will be settled on chain if it's passing then also.